Welcome back, everyone. Let me share my screen with you. Just give me a second. Okay, welcome back, IP5. So, as you already know, I am teacher Amir, and I will be teaching you technology. For today, we are talking about typing. This is our third lesson for the third week, right? So let's start. The first thing I want to review with you is a keyboard. Do you remember what a keyboard is? This is your keyboard. Do you remember what can you do with your keyboard? I want you to tell me also. So tell me, what is a keyboard? What does a keyboard do? All right, let's see if you got it correct. It has many different buttons or keys. So these are called buttons or keys. Each one, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, there's no 10, right? So only one character, one digit. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. And these buttons have many different jobs to do for us. So these are the numbers and these are the letters that you can use to type. You can see there are a lot of alphabet that we need to type our words. A, such as A, B, C, D, Q, W, E, R, P, L, K, H, and so on. So you need all these to type. So for example, if you want to type apple, you have to click A, P, P, L, E, right? To type apple. You can use it to write and type. So you can use this to write and type and also control your computer. Let's go to the next slide. Next, we are talking about alphabet keys. Can you find your alphabet keys on your keyboard? Try to find them before I show you. 1, 2, 3. Did you get it correctly? These are your alphabet keys. So alphabet keys are basically the keys that you use to write words. All right, so you can see A, S, T, F, G, and all the alphabet on your keyboard. So these will help you to write and type words in the future classes that we might have assignment. So you need them to type. Next, we got the key numbers. The keys with the numbers, so number keys. So which are basically the buttons or the keys that have number on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. All right, so this is on the top. But if you got a bigger keyboard, you will have the one on the right. So I wonder, which one do you have? Do you have a small keyboard that just shows the numbers on the top? Or do you have a big one that shows on the top and on the right? Which do you like more? Just the small one or the big one? All right, let's move on to the next slide. The next slide, we are talking about function keys. What are function keys? These are function keys on the very, very top on your keyboard. You can see F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, and so on, right? So all this, they are your function keys till F12, all right? F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, and F10, F11, and F12. So all these are your function keys. So what are they used for? They are used for functions in different programs, okay? So basically what that means is in each program, they do something different. So they might not do the same thing. So they have different options. So it depends on the software you use, all right? Let's move to the next one. Special keys. Special keys such as space bar. What does a space bar do? It gives space between the words. So a space bar gives space between the words. So you can see here, this is the space bar. Can you say it with me? Space bar, space bar. Okay, this is your space bar. What does it do? It gives space between the words. It gives space. So if we have two things together, two letters together, you press the space bar to get some space. You press it one more time, more space. One more time, more space. All right, so try to use the space bar. Next, we got enter key. Enter key. Can you say it with me? Enter key. Enter key. All right. Move to the next line. What does the enter key do? It moves to the next line. So if you're typing, if you click enter key, it moves to the next line. Or it approve or enter some document or approves to go to the next step when you fill some information online. So this is your enter key. So this is your enter key. Can you find it on your keyboard? Try to find it on your keyboard. Where is it on your keyboard? Is it on the left? Is it on the left? Is it on the right? Is it on the top? Is it on the button? Or is it in the middle? Same as here. So this is your enter key. How does it look like? Is it the same as this? Is it L-shaped? Is it straight? Is it small? Is it big? Try to compare and see how it looks on your keyboard. Next, we have backspace. Backspace. What does this backspace do? The backspace deletes and erases the text. So if you're typing, by using backspace, you can delete and erase. Next, we got the delete key. The delete key, you can use it by pressing it. You will delete your files. The selected files will be deleted. Or erase the writing. You can erase what you have typed. So by using the delete button, you can erase what you have typed. Next, we got the move, the arrow keys that you can use to move. The arrow keys. Can you say it with me? Arrow keys. So these are the arrow keys. You can control and move. You can control and move. By using arrow keys, you can move up, up, down, right, left, and right. So up, down, left, and right. So don't forget, this can help you control your computer and your cursor in when you're typing. It can go left, it can go right, and try to learn how to use this. Next, I have some videos for you to watch on YouTube. Please watch them, and it will help you to understand this lesson more and try to understand more. I hope you have understood so far. Next, I want to talk about last week's homework. So if you have not done it yet, make sure you finish by 1st of July on Thursday, right? So 1st of July on Thursday. So I think by the time you see this video, you have to finish it, okay? Please join the class and practice. So this is the link. You have to join this by clicking on it. All you need to do is just practice 1 to 7. Finish practice 1 to 7. It's a typing practice. If you don't remember, please watch my last lesson, lesson 2, to understand how to sign up. And don't forget to write your name or even your ID number if you can, your nickname and your ID number. Please write this too so I can give you your points in the coming future. So don't forget to join this website. It's for free. You just write down your name and your ID number if possible. It would be great. So it's easier for me to find your name in the list. And the new homework. I'm sorry, but we have more homework to do. Please practice typing more, okay? If you finish, just continue practicing until you are a professional, all right? Practicing makes you a professional. Practicing makes you the best, all right? So keep on practicing typing, all right? So complete lesson 1 to 23, okay? So if I think you have already completed lesson 1 to 7, right? 1 to 7 should be finished already. So basically you have to continue 8 to 23. But if you did not finish yet, please finish 1 to 7 first before 1st of July. And the rest from 8 to 23, lesson 8 to 23, you have to finish before Thursday, 8th of July. So next week, Thursday, 8th of July. All right, so let's check out the website. Let me share the, all right. So all you need to do is basically just sign in. Basically, this is the sign up, right? So if you already have an account, you just click login. And I'll just log in with my username. So basically just try to sign in. I'll just sign in with my email. So I can check if you have done your work or not. So I see a student was very active today. So this is your assignment, all right? So lesson 1 to 23, make sure you finish it and send it by, and finish it by 8th of July, right? And this is the overview. I can show you how many students have done it. So not everyone has joined yet. If possible, for your last name, you can write your Pattaya ID number. So it would be great. I can find your name on the list. So make sure you write down your Pattaya ID number. And as I remember, I gave you Google Forms also last week. Please make sure you finish the Google Forms for your class, IP5, right here. So don't forget, write your nickname, Pattaya ID. This is from last week. Make sure you finish. Only 3 students have sent the work so far. So there are some questions you have to answer, and after you finish, you just click submit. All right. It's quite easy. It's not too hard. I'm sure you can do it. But please do not forget, send this last day for this questionnaire, not questionnaire, this quiz or homework or worksheet is on 1st of July. For this worksheet is 1st of July. But for the typing practice, for this one, the assignment from 1 to 23, you have to finish it 8th of July. Okay, so you have 1 week for this, 8th of July. All right, so I hope you have understood everything. That's all for today. Please practice typing, continue practicing. I'm sure you'll be great. Don't forget the Google Forms to do the worksheet. That's all for today. I wish you all the best and stay safe, stay home, and hopefully see you soon back at school. See you. Goodbye. Bye-bye, guys.